What if machine could learn not just faster than humans, but in completely different way? What if intelligence was no longer limited to the human brain, but could exist inside machines? Today, we are exploring how AI robots are learning, adapting, and evolving right in front of us. Think about how we learn. We don't get things right the first time. We observe others. We make mistakes. We repeat actions and slowly we improve with the passage of time. This process of learning through experience is what shapes human intelligence. Now, here's where it gets interesting. AI learns in a surprisingly similar way. Instead of memories and emotions, AI uses data, algorithm, and feedback. Every action it takes is measured, evaluated, and stored as a learning. When a robot makes a mistake, it does not forget it. That mistake becomes a valuable information. The system analyzes what went wrong, adjusts its approach, and tries again with a better accuracy. This ability to learn is already changing the real world. In factories, AI robots assemble products with incredible precision. In hospitals, they assist doctors with a complex procedure. And in logistics, they move goods faster and more efficiently than even before. Unlike traditional machines, AI does not just follow instructions, it evaluates multiple possibilities at once by calculating risks, rewards, and probabilities. It chooses the action that leads to the best possible outcome. Despite what many people fear, AI is not here to replace humans. It's here to support us by taking over repetitive or dangerous tasks. AI allows humans to focus on creativity, problem solving, and innovation. The most incredible part, AI never stops learning. While a humans need a rest, an AI can process millions of scenarios every single second. This means its intelligence does not just grow, it accelerates. As we move forward, the line between human and machine capability will continue to blur. We are entering an era of co evolution, a future where human intuition and AI logic work together to solve the world's greatest challenges. Every era is defined by the tools it creates: fire chain survival, electricity chain civilization, and now learning machines are changing intelligence itself. What happens next won't be written by code alone, it will be shaped by how we choose to evolve with it. We are not just building tools anymore, we are building partners. The journey of AI has only just begun. So, are you ready for the next step in our evolution? Join the journey into the future. Subscribe to Future Scope and explore what's next.